Welcome to this tutorial on activating planning areas in SAP IBP. You must activate the planning area first to upload data into it and perform planning tasks. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to activate a planning area step by step. So let's get started. Step 1. Enter the planning area ID or name to be activated in the search field. Suppose the ID is IM. Step 2. Click the search icon. Step 3. Locate the IM planning area and select the checkbox on the left. Step 4. Click the Activate button to begin the activation process. Step 5. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm it and click the Activate button again. The activation is running. Please wait a moment. Step 6. If the activation has finished and activation was successful, click the Close button. To summarize, activating a planning area in SAP IBP involves accessing the Planning Areas app, selecting the desired planning area, and activating it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.